Now this is third A part solution. 5m equals 60 is given. Now one by one we will put values. If m equal, first value we are taking 10. If m equal 10, then 5m is equal to, 5m means 5 multiply m, so 5 multiply 10, so it will be 50. But the given value is 60, so this answer is no. Means m is equal to 10 is not the solution. Then given m is equal to 5. So here 5m is equal to 5 multiply 5, which is equals to 25. Now again it is not equals to 60, that's why it is not the solution. Now if m is equal to 12, so 5m is equal to 5 multiply 12, it is given 12 5s are, we know that 60, and the right hand side is also given as 60, so we can see that 12 is the solution. So here we will write yes, and the last one is m is equal to 15. When m is equal to 15, then 5m is 5 multiply 15, so it is 15 5s are 75, and this is also no. So we can write m equal 12 is the solution. So here the value is m equals to 12. Now this is third B part. Here equation is n plus 12 is equal to 20. Now again we will put one by one all the values. First of all, n is equal to 12. When n is equal to 12, then n plus 12 is 12 plus 12. And 12 plus 12, we can see that this is 24. And right hand side is 20, so it is no, because it is 24. Now if n is equal to 8, now n plus 12, in place of n we will write 8. So 8 plus 12, it is 20. So here we can see yes, answer is 20, and here we are getting 20. That's why n is equal to 8 is the solution. But we have to put all the values, so n is equal to 20 now we will put. Then n plus 12, then 20 plus 12, it is 32, and 32 is also no, because 20 is yes. Then if we put n is equal to 0, then n plus 12 is equal to 0 plus 12. So 0 plus 12, 12, it is also no. So what is the answer? Answer is this, n is equal to 8. So we will write n equal 8 is the solution. Now this is third C part. P minus 5 is equal to 5. Values are 0, 10, 5 and minus 5. Now if P is equal to 0, then P minus 5 is 0 minus 5, and it is minus 5. So it is no, because right hand side is 5. Now if we put P is equal to 10, so P minus 5, it is 10 minus 5, it will be 5. Now here you can see right hand side is 5, that's why it is yes. Now if P is equal to 5, then P minus 5 is equal to 5 minus 5, it is 0. Again you can see no. एक एक करके हमें सारी वैल्यूज़ जो है उसमें ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो गिवन है वही लिखनी है, उसमें पुट करेंगे और जिसमें भी राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल आ जाएगा उसमें यस लिखना है और वही उसका सोल्यूशन हो जाएगा। नाउ इफ p इज इक्वल टू -5 देन p -5, तो वी कैन राइट -5 -5 minus minus plus, so it is -10. Now which is the solution? So here we can see that p is equal to 10 is the solution. The left parts you have to do yourself as we have done A, B and C. Now you will do third D, E and F yourself.